Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in yesterday's lecture we learned about changing the row height in Microsoft Excel, and in today's lecture we are going to learn practically on Microsoft Excel. So dear students, yesterday you were told about the steps theoretically that were applied to change the row height, and in today's lecture we will learn about practical on the yesterday's topic, that was changing row height. So dear students, first of all, to do work or to do practical in Microsoft Excel, you will have to press Window key from the keyboard and a menu is appeared in front of you. This menu displays the programs that are installed in the memory of our computer, and you will have to see that where the Microsoft Excel is displayed, and you will have to click on it to work on Microsoft Excel. Okay dear students, so you see that this one is Microsoft Excel 2007, and you will have to click on it. Your Microsoft Excel has been opened, and you will have to click a row that you need to change its row height. Okay dear students, for example, I am going to click on row number 6, and when I have clicked E6, it means this cell or this row has been selected. So first step we learn that select the row that we intend to change its row height. Secondly, we will go to the cells group on the home tab and click on format, and when we will click on the format, a menu will appear here, and in this menu there are several options, but we should click on the row height because we want to change row height, or our practical is based on changing row height. So we will have to click on the row height. When we will click on the row height, the range of row height is already fixed in our computer 15, and we will press backspace key. This value will be removed and we will have to assign our own value. For example, we put here 40. After putting 40, we should press enter key. When we have applied these steps, you saw that the row height has been changed here. So dear students, this is the practical that is based on the changing row height, and your lecture is winded up here, and your homework based on today's practical is to do same practical at your home PC and send me on our WhatsApp group. We will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th.